This sleek gadget features a stunning 8.8-inch ultra-wide touch display and a precision-machined metal body. It blends a sci-fi aesthetic with massive productivity power. Let's dive into what makes this tool the ultimate desktop companion. Most of us use AI by typing long, repetitive prompts into a browser. This device changes that. It comes preloaded with over 100 specialized AI roles. Whether you need expert advice on law, math, or creative writing, help is just one tap away. But it goes beyond just answering questions. If you hold the metallic control knob and speak, it captures your intent. It can even generate custom wallpapers and videos that automatically fit its wide screen. You can even use it to create your own custom emojis for your favorite chat apps. It's an interface built for the age of artificial intelligence. We've all been there. A long meeting ends and you realize your notes are a mess. This tool acts as a dedicated meeting assistant. It provides one-tap summaries so you never miss a key point. If you have to step away, just hit record. When you get back, it delivers a full transcript and a structured summary in seconds. Working with global teams, it offers real-time captions and translation across 17 different languages. It even has a physical global mute button. No more scrambling for the mute icon in Zoom or Teams. One tap on this gadget and your mic is off across every single app. This tool is also a powerhouse for shortcuts. It comes pre-configured for professional software like Photoshop, Premiere Pro, and Microsoft Office. But here is the best part. You can tell it what you want, and the AI will build custom shortcut sets for you. The side knob lets you toggle between functions smoothly. It's designed to keep you in your flow. Instead of alt-tabbing to check Discord or monitor your PC's performance, this device shows you everything. You can see your CPU usage, memory, and network stats in real time without leaving your game or your work. When the workday ends, this gadget transitions with you. It integrates with smart home systems, allowing you to dim the lights or adjust the AC from your desk. If you're a music lover, it can act as a beautiful digital vinyl player. You can connect your Spotify account or play local files, adding a vibe to your setup with customizable RGB lighting. It's built from CNC machined metal, so it feels premium and is made to last. You can even adjust the screen angle to find your perfect view. It isn't just a secondary screen, it's a hub that coordinates your hardware and software effortlessly. It moves you from doing busy work to doing meaningful work. If you want to transform your desktop into an intelligent workspace, this is the way to do it. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the latest desk tech, please like the video and share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe for more educational content. You can find the link to this gadget in the description below.